If you imagined having a home computer would be glum, you'll be glad to see the Commodore Amiga 500, which does arcade-quality games. You can compose a symphony, or you can plan a new garden. The Amiga 500 could make all the difference to a child's education. So don't imagine having a home computer would be glum, because happily you can buy a Commodore Amiga 500. For details, call 01-873-9800. You'll be glad you did.
You could win a Commodore Amiga 500 Batman pack. But first, you must answer these riddles. I'm a pilot, a musician, a landscape gardener, and a teacher. Who am I? Second riddle. The Joker ain't so pretty. What's the name of his city? I'll give you a clue for these riddles. Watch the whole of this video very carefully. Give us the most original reason why you would like a Commodore Amiga 500 for your home, in 20 words or less. Phone your answers through on 0898 500 250, anytime, day or night, before June 30th, 1990. There are 10 Batman packs to be won.
The Commodore Amiga 500 now comes with the exciting Batman package, or Class of the 90s, the fun way to learn. Is he doing his homework or playing the Joker?